Hello all. So we are in unit 1 and today we are going to see what is exactly a difference between IoT and machine to machine. Okay, so these both are the types of communication. Okay, so with the IoT also we are going to communicate with the things, and with machine to machine communication also we are going to indirectly communicating with the machines. Okay, but in IoT there may be the some interference of human in between, but in machine to machine there is no interference of human, because only machine is going to be communicate with the another machine. Let's start the difference. So M2M, the abbreviation for machine to machine is M2M is machine to machine, whereas the abbreviation of IoT is Internet of Things. Okay, the second point is it is about all the direct machine to machine communication, whereas it is about sensor communication and internet platform. Okay, so it is about direct communication of machine to machine, means there is no at all human interference. Only machine is collecting the data, analyzing the data by its own, and even the analysis analysis result in the form of that chart, or you can see visualization, is going to be also shown by the machine. So in between there is no human interference. And here it is about the sensor automation, means there are sensor, compulsorily sensor should be there for collecting the data. And second is internet platform, means in internet platform there may be sometime human interference may occur, okay, for entering the data or for another purpose. Third point, it supports point to point communication. Okay, and here it support close cloud based communication. Okay, here point to point communication means one machine, while one machine is communicating with another machine, machine is directly approaching to another machine for taking another things or taking any kind of data. Okay, but here whatever the sensors data is sending directly going to the cloud for storage purpose, and then with the internet platform human is accessing, human or machines are accessing that cloud data, then analyzing it. Okay, so that's why in third point we are going to be say like a point to point communication. Okay, now the fourth point, device not necessary relay on the internet. Device not necessary relay on the internet. Device necessary relay on the internet. So simple. Next point, it is mostly based on hardware, and in IoT it is mostly based on hardware and software. Okay, so in machine to machine it is based on totally hardware, because one machine is hardware, whether another machine is also a hardware. But in IoT there may be the software. Okay, there may be the software we are using for analyzing by our human. Okay, human are using different softwares for analyze the data from the cloud. Next point is machine normally communicates with single machine at a time, whereas here in IoT you can see many user can at a time over on a internet. So if you clear with this point that when machine is communicating with another machine, only one point is in front and another point is at in front of that first point, so only 2 points are there. But here cloud data can be accessed at a time by hundreds user from the cloud, different types of data. Okay, so this may happen in IoT and this may happen in machine to machine. Next point, it uses either proprietary or non-IP based protocol, whereas here it uses IP protocols. Okay, so you know very well, I am considering that you know very best protocols. So in CN, you know, OSI protocols and that. So next point, it's for only B2B business type. It is for B2B and B2C business type. So what is B2B here? Business to business. Okay, one business to another business. Suppose one owner is there and the retail shop is also there and the medical shop is also there and the owner is only one. Okay, so his machine may be attached with one to another. Two shops are connected with the LAN. This may be the possible. Okay, or if they are in different cities, they are connected by some software, or you may be happen it may be happen that a single software you are using for the two different shop, your retail shop also and the medical shop also. This may happen. So in that, what happened exactly, the two shop business tally your workout, daily bill, daily sell, daily purchase, whatever they are calculating by machine itself only getting. So business to business point of view, we are going to be use machine to machine communication, whereas IoT type of communication is suitable for business to business communication also, and even business to customer communication also. B2C means business to customer. Okay, the next point, limited number of devices can be connected at a time. In machine to machine, limited number of devices can be connected, whereas more number of devices can be connected at a time. Means lot of different kinds of devices you can connect to the you can connect a device to the suppose any of the sensor, any of the Arduino, any of the Raspberry. So likewise, so hardware and software both included here, as previously we have told here in this point. Now next point, it does not support open APIs. Okay, it does not support open API, but it supports open API, application project interface. Okay, so this is the interface type, one other. So scalability. Okay, scalability means increase karna, means if you suppose RDBMS table you have prepared and 100 rows and 100 columns, and if it is happened that all data is get filled, so you have to be a chance to scale the table like insert row or insert column. So this is the scalability. So machine to machine communication is not scalable at all, and it is whereas IoT is more scalable. Okay, so we have covered all these point differentiation. If you can see the syllabus, let me show you. So here is the syllabus. You can see here you have the you have here, sorry, एक minute. So you have here that difference between IoT and M2M. Okay, so this point we have covered today. Okay, so this is fine for the lecture. Bye.